since I've made a video. I did pick up Hondata. It's right here. We're going to be installing it today. And I also picked up some Mugen Tail Lights that I'll be throwing on today. And I also got on an electronic cutout valve. So if I push this to open it up, it becomes really loud. The valve opens up. It sounds pretty good too. But yeah, I'm heading over to Charlie's house right now to get this put on, and maybe we're gonna hit up a meet right now, but we'll see. So yeah, we got the Hondata right here, and then the Mugen Tail Lights over here. Damn, new taillights? Who this?
I'm waiting for my tuner to give me my burble maps.
What's up, bro? Crooked. For the vlog, dog. What's up?
What up, man? Butternut.spangles.
Bro, these taillights are hard as shit.
Mugen
zip ties, bro. That's what I paid for.
Mugen on it.
No, it doesn't say Mugen on it, stupid.
Oh,
Dude,
snap.
you want the Travis patty?
I want the Travis patty.
Bro, when I saw that shit,
Dude,
I lost it, bro.
be lone food. Dude. Gotta show him real quick, bro.
Taillights are hard as fuck.
Where would
bro.
they be? Where would they be, bro?
Right here, right here. Very simple.
Hey, is Joseph still coming?
Damn, the
Yeah, he's
difference.
pulling up.
Oh, he's pulling up right here?
Yeah,
Keon, this stain's been on your fucking car for like 3 weeks, bro.
No, it hasn't.
Holy
What is
shit.
it? 8mm.
You need to borrow that kit?
Yeah, and then it's, I think it's just this, and then
8 and 10.
This is my car. So.
And that's how, baby. Oh,
Hey,
look
what
at this. What's your IG? Drop that.
IG is Benjamin Lee right here. No vowels in the first name.
Sick.
Check it out.
What the fuck?
That lesbian just gunning it all, bro.
Gustavo, dog.
Yeah. Dude. Oh, you got the deep woods, a good one.
Hey,
Fucking dry wine.
those are, I got those. Give me credit.
Oh, these nuggets. No, I want nuggets.
No, that's the
I
corporal.
want spade nuggets.
Yeah.
You're putting the stock ones back?
No.
No, he just forgot to, he put this.
When you put it in, you click the switch by accident.
Thanks, dog.
Joseph,
much appreciated.
you have a Windows laptop?
Yeah. Why?
Could have told him to bring it. Fuck.
Let me guess, you need a tune.
No. I just need the Windows laptop.
Why?
I just need it real quick.
For what?
Why not a Mac?
Because I can't use Mac.
Because
Oh yeah, hold up.
Oh, there it is.
Lucky, bro.
Yo, say what's up to...
what's up?
Drop your IG, bro.
It's Joseph.evilx.
Drop his Tinder, dog.
Wait, you need to drop your
Drop my pants.
I got you.
Want me to do?
Damn, that rep. Not even real Mugen. Classic Honda, guys.
Says the guy with the fucking rep spoiler on his Integra.
My spoiler is real. It's the badges that are real.
He got you that,
Sure, buddy.
My spoiler is real. I got it from HMO. Or my cousin got it from HMO.
Okay, it says Mugen. It's fine. Mugen.
Mugen. So we're putting the left tail light in, just in case you guys are curious, because this dude doesn't really tell you what the fuck's going on. Makes you guys guess. But this is the left tail light.
Come on, dude. Some go fast parts. You hear that, guys? He got extra content.
This is for the people that he's gonna gap.
Ooh. Well, I was next to you the whole time. We're going to, if we're doing 40 roll, we're going to 100.
My fourth gear tops out at 100.
It's okay.
There he is.
Someone get this man a V-Lone shirt, bro.
This nigga wearing gas. I'm just kidding.
Oof. Oof. It's getting a little toasty in here.
Man, these are hard.
These are hard. These are probably my favorite, like, 10th gen tails.
Sucks Evos don't make fucking good looking sequentials.
What do you mean? They're not.
The
They're
Varus
not
one,
that
the
bad.
Varus taillights, I only like the Varus taillights on the Evo 10s.
Oh, really? The Varus ones are good.
I have the Varus ones.
Yeah, they look perfect. Well, not sequential, though.
They don't have like good looking.
They're just tripping out.
All right, so Ice Cream Man pulled up. Time for a break. We got the taillights in. The left side. Got the left side and the right side. I feel like Ben, bro.
Oh man, dude.
Ew. I need to do the centers though. Sheesh.